Hey guys, how are you all doing in this chilly winter? I hope you all are doing great and learning this language in a fun and effective way. So, if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Rubia, an English learner and speaker from India. So, without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. So, today's video is about you can understand English, but when it comes to speak, your mind gets blank and you feel stuck. If it happens to you too, make sure watching the video till the end. I'll clear all your doubts, and at the same time I'll tell you why it happens and how to fix this problem. So let's know the reasons why it happens. Fear of making mistakes. This is very important thing. While speaking, we fear of making grammatical mistakes and pronunciation mistake, and also we fear of judgment. This is first reason. Second mistake is lack of practice. We practice listening and reading a lot, but we don't practice speaking. It is very important. We have to fix this. Third one, translating in your head. There are a lot of people who are struggling with this problem. We first think in our mother tongue, then we try to translate in English, and in this way we try to speak in English. Okay, so now we know the reasons. Now let's know how to fix these problems. So first one, start speaking even with mistakes. You know that you make mistakes, and this stops you to speak in English, but this is not the problem. You have to speak even with mistakes, and only then you will be able to speak in English. Number 2, start speaking small. You have to start speaking with small sentences. You can make sentence like, I wake up today early in the morning, I brush my teeth. In this way you can learn English effectively. Number 3 is talk to yourself. When we talk to ourselves, there is no one to judge us. We can talk to ourselves with mistakes, and will not fear of making mistakes. So yeah, these are the reasons and these are the solutions of this problem. If you follow the process, if you think in English, or if you practice regularly, you will be able to speak in English fluently. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm always here for help you, and I'm always here to guide you. You have to take the responsibility of yours. You have to practice every single day, and you have to start speaking from today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Thank you.